Hey, it's Mandy, and I did a super easy jack-o'-lantern look. I literally only used the Mehron face paint, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and some black eyeliner. So you really don't need a lot of products to create this look. And I did this look in literally less than 20 minutes. That's one thing you're gonna learn about makeup looks that I do. I'm not trying to take a whole lot of time. You got an hour out of me, tops. One thing I've noticed about face paint, Mehron face paint, is it would look better if you use a damp sponge and kind of pat everything. It'll get rid of the streaks and everything. But what I like about this particular pumpkin look is pumpkins have lines in them, so I think it kind of just helps create the depth of the look. So, coming on in with a little triangle-ish shaped nose. Also, what I really love about Halloween makeup is it doesn't have to be perfect. If anything, you're kind of trying to aim to be a little ugly. So Halloween is literally the best time of the year. So like you see right here, I kind of trying to make it messy. I want to look a little scary. That's one thing about Halloween too, is like I want to look pretty, but I usually strive to be kind of creepy. This is a pretty important step. You think not a whole lot's happening, but I added dark orange to everywhere where there is like the little space there between the lines. That's creating the depth. And then I go in with white, and then I touched up all the black lines with that black liner just to create details.